This channel gets over 1 million views monthly, which makes at least $300 per week making this type of video.
Obama, I've been thinking about something lately.
What have you been thinking about, Trunk?
Well, I've been thinking about making a movie.
What kind of movie are we talking?
A comedy movie.
They are using AI voice, and here's a proof that they can be monetized. Now let's try to recreate them using free AI tools. At this point, ChatGPT has become our best friend, so let's head there to get an auto-generated script. Ask it to make a normal real-life conversation with dad jokes between you and your friend. I'll leave the prompt in the description, feel free to check it out. You can use different characters, I'll just stick with 2 friends. We now have a well-written funny conversation. Next up is the voiceover. There are tons of text-to-speech AI voice, but I'll use ElevenLabs for this example. ElevenLabs offer 10,000 characters per month with the free version, but if you plan to use it commercially, you'll have to pay $5 per month. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy our script one by one, then paste it to ElevenLabs.
Hey there, buddy. Remember that time we went to the beach last week to catch some fish?
I'll choose 2 voices, which will represent the conversation between me and my friend.
Oh, how can I forget? It was quite the adventure. So we cast our lines into the water, waiting patiently for the fish to take the bait.
After that, download a voice. I'll label mine as 1, 2, 3, and so on to avoid getting confused. Repeat the same process until you finish generating voices for all the lines. Right now, I'm just generating this from their landing page, but it has a limitation. Once you've reached it, it will require you to sign up. With so many accounts and passwords to remember, it's easy to fall into the trap of using weak passwords, or even worse, reusing them across different platforms. This not only puts your valuable information at risk, but also hampers your productivity and efficiency. But just like every problem, there's always a solution. This segment is sponsored by NordPass. Bid farewell to the endless cycle of forgotten passwords and the time-consuming task of resetting them. This powerful tool stores all your passwords in a secure vault protected by advanced encryption algorithms. It generates complex, unique passwords for each of your accounts, eliminating the risk of weak passwords or reuse. Plus, NordPass conveniently autofills your login credentials, saving you valuable time and allowing you to focus on what truly matters. But NordPass doesn't stop there. It goes beyond password management to offer additional features that enhance your online security, specifically tailored for businesses. With NordPass Business Plan, you can easily share passwords between team members, ensuring seamless collaboration and productivity. You can also maintain a safe password security system within your company, providing or revoking passwords for your team members as needed. See NordPass Business in action with a 3-month free trial using the code MB20 using my link in the description. Now back to our tutorial. If you're a gamer and has tons of screen recorded footage, great, but if you're looking for free to use high quality gameplays, you can check out these channels. Just don't forget to credit them in your description. Now let's edit. Go to VEED's homepage, create a new project, then upload your gameplay footage. This is what you'll see afterwards. This video is too long, so let's trim it out a bit. On the left side, click the audio button, then select all the AI voice we generated. If you followed my tip, this is what you'll see. Line 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now it's easier for us to arrange the clips since we named it orderly. Now let's add subtitles. Click it, select auto subtitle, then choose the first line of your voice clip. Wait for a few seconds. After that, click styles, then look for the one you like. There are pre-made styles and you can customize your own as well. Now review the caption.
Hey there, buddy. Remember that time we went to the beach last week to catch some fish?
It looks a bit small, so let's increase the font size. I also wanted to get more attention, so let's drag it to the center. Great, now let's do the same for the next few lines. Click subtitles, auto subtitle, choose the second line of voice, then look at it. It automatically copied the style and format of our previous caption, which saves us more time. Once you've finished, click done on the upper right corner, then export video. It will take a few minutes to load depending on your internet speed.
Hey there, buddy. Remember that time we went to the beach last week to catch some fish?
Oh, how can I forget? It was quite the adventure. So we cast our lines into the water, waiting patiently for the fish to take the bait.
Yeah, and you were so excited, you kept reeling in empty hooks like a professional magician. Now you see the fish, now you don't.
Hey now, don't be too hard on me. It's not my fault those fish were practicing their stealth moves. They were playing hide and seek with my bait.
Hide and seek? More like hide and sneak. Those sneaky little fish were probably whispering to each other. Avoid that friend of yours. He's got the worst luck with catching anything.
Well, it's not like you had much better luck either. I saw you reeling in a boot instead of a fish. Maybe the fish were trying to teach you a lesson in footwear fashion.
Once it's done, click download and choose MP4. Now you can upload this to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or whichever platform you choose. You can make a long form video using this method as well. I also made a tutorial like this for educational type of videos. You can watch it here.